Too Crazy AI brings you curated AI news from today. Cerebras achieves major model compression breakthrough with 30% parameter reduction while maintaining 95% performance. Gemini market share doubles to 13.7%, challenging ChatGPT's dominance. Let's dive into today's developments. Cerebras today released MiniMax-M2-REAP 16B A1B, a major breakthrough in model compression. Through innovative REAP pruning technology, they compressed the 230 billion parameter Minimax M2 by 30%, down to 162 billion parameters. What's even more impressive is the near-zero performance loss. It scores 93.3% on human eval code tests, just 0.6 percentage points below the original. Maintains 89.4% on Math 500 reasoning tests. This is one-shot pruning requiring no fine-tuning, deployable directly in standard VLM environments. REAP's core innovation considers both router preferences and expert contributions, precisely identifying redundant experts. SimilarWeb's latest data reveals major shifts in the generative AI market. Over the past year, ChatGPT's traffic share dropped from 86.6% to 72.3%. While still dominant, its monopoly is being challenged. The biggest challenger is Google's Gemini, with share jumping from 5.6% to 13.7%, becoming the first competitor to break the 10% threshold. Notably, Gemini is the only major platform growing consistently every measurement period. This stems from Google's strategy of deeply integrating Gemini into search and productivity suites. Though ChatGPT's market share is declining, its active user count continues growing, indicating rapid AI market expansion overall. OpenRouter today launched an interesting experiment: two stealth provider frontier models, Sherlock Think Alpha and Sherlock-Alpha. They won't tell you the specific provider behind them, letting you judge purely on performance. Both models feature a massive 1.8 M token context window, support multimodal input, and excel at tool calling. Think Alpha focuses on reasoning capabilities, returning detailed reasoning steps. Alpha prioritizes speed. This blind testing approach is fascinating, enabling more objective model quality assessment. AMD launched the Spring Rain University program at Peking University Science Park, centered on their Ryzen AI MAX Plus 395 platform. This processor features a heterogeneous design with 16-core Zen 5 CPU, RDNA 3.5 GPU, and 50 TOPS NPU. The biggest highlight is its UMA unified memory architecture, supporting up to 128 GB memory, with 96 GB allocatable to GPU as VRAM. This means you can locally run 120+ billion parameter models like GPT-OSS 120B or Qwen 3235 smoothly, achieving 14 to 40 tokens per second inference speed. AMD built a complete ecosystem covering AI literacy education, ROCm open source talent cultivation, developer community building, and industrial innovation. Factory, the company behind Droid CLI, today launched the Ultra subscription tier at $2,000 per month. It includes 2 billion factory standard tokens, which are universally exchangeable across all supported models, including the latest Sonnet 4.5, GPT 5.1, Opus 4.1, and other frontier models. Factory's previous Max tier was $200 monthly, while Ultra jumps straight to $2,000, a 10x increase, clearly targeting professional development teams or enterprise users with extreme compute demands. Model compression and edge hardware are advancing rapidly. Cerebras achieves 30% lossless compression. AMD lets you run 120B models locally. The battle between edge AI and cloud APIs has begun. How long before edge AI becomes mainstream? 1 year? 3 years? Or never? What's your take? Let's hear it in the comments. Too Crazy AI, back tomorrow with more craziness.